well and here for our final presentation assembly of the year. It's Friday, the 16th of July, and as you can see, we're here for receptions, final presentation assembly, and Child of the Year. So we've also got Child of the Year, which is coming towards the end of the assembly to find out those children in each of the reception class who've been amazing throughout this whole year and earned themselves a special plaque as well to take home. So amazing. We look forward to that towards the end of this assembly. So we're going to start off this morning. Here we go. Look at these guys. Look who we got coming up. We will see. Look at these. Look, Miss Ruffles, math stars. Look at these guys working so hard this term on their maths and earning themselves a math certificate. So we've got Zara, we've got Lincoln, we've got Beatrix, and we've got Alfie James. Again, lovely smiley faces. Look at these numbers. Look at the maths that they are doing. Absolutely superb. Ready for year one, I know they are, and really enjoying their maths as well, with lots of smiles on their faces. So well done, guys. I know everyone's going to be giving you a cheer in class now as well. Well done. Moving on. Here we go. Look. Whizzing in again. Look at the English stars again. Look at these guys with all their writing they've been doing as well. Amazing English stars. We've got Jack, we've got Betsy, we've got Scarlett, and we've got Amelia. And again, big smiley faces, really enjoying their learning right up to this very last day. So amazing. Massive cheer for you guys, and enjoy taking your certificates home tonight. Well done. Next up, here we go, let's have a look. Here it is, here they come whizzing in, and it is our reading stars. These guys have been reading non-stop throughout this term. So we've got Matilda, and we've got Lily, we've got Esme, and we've got Bailey. And these guys have been filling in their reading records religiously every single day and sharing books at home every single day. So really well done. Certificates coming home with you, and a special little reading book as well to enjoy over the summer holidays. So well done, you guys. Huge congratulations. Moving on. Here they come. Look at these PE stars. Look, barreling in. Look at that. Look. Lola. We've got Naya. We've got Ruben. And we've got Salus. And these guys, whenever they're outside, they may be on the monkey bars, on the ropes, whatever, just active all the time, non-stop, being really good in their PE lessons as well. Absolutely superb. Huge congratulations to these guys. Big smiles on their faces as well. And again, get out lots over the summer as well. But enjoy taking your certificates home today and give them a massive cheer, everyone. Well done, you PE stars. Moving on. Here we go. Oh, look at these sharks. Look at the sharks. Look at these guys, English stars. Look. And I know these guys have been working really hard on their writing. They really have. So we've got Elizabeth, and we've got Esme, we've got Rudy, and we've got Jamie. Again, look at these photos way back when they started in reception. You look at them now, they're absolutely ready for year one, these guys. So well done, guys. Give them a massive cheer. Well done. Moving on. Look, oh, these mathematicians. Look at these mathematicians. Again, amazing maths that's going on with these guys, and these guys are ready for year one. So we've got Luz, we've got Chadley Blue, we've got Braylon, and we've got Emily. Absolute superstars, big smiles on their faces. Really well done, guys. Come on, everyone. Let's give them a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home tonight. Well done. Moving on. Oh, look at these reading stars. Look at these. These sharks have been reading every single day and sharing their books. They are amazing. We've got Yasmin, we've got Jackson, we've got Marcy, and we've got Lucas. Absolutely superb, guys. I know you've filled in non-stop your reading records and enjoyed taking your reading book home with your certificate, and enjoy that over the summer holidays as well, guys. Well done. Finally, we've got our PE stars. Look at these guys. I know, super active, these guys. I know that because I've got one of my own there. Look, we've got Ava, we've got Charlie, we've got Harley, and we've got Ollie. Now these guys, and you would have seen them at Sports Day as well, really competing well. But whenever they're outside, they are about and non-stop and really running about all the time. They are amazing. Really well-deserved, guys. Congratulations. Everyone's going to give you a massive cheer now, and give them a big cheer, and enjoy taking your certificates home tonight. Well done. Right, we're moving on to, here we go, attendance league. So we'll pick up the attendance league. So we've got the Bremner, the Bremner Shield. Look at this, hey? We've got in 14th, 13th and 12th place, Miss Arthurton, Mr. Pinner and Miss Barrett. Let's see, moving on up. We've got in 10th, joint 10th, and in 9th, here we go. Mr. Ackerman, Miss Beckham, Miss Ruffle. There we go, Miss Ruffle. So there we go. Look, total class down in 9th. Not bad, 92 points. So good effort, but really set you up for year one and improve your attendance. Moving on. We've got in 8th, 7th and 6th. We've got Miss Halkins, Mr. Davison and Miss White. And those points are gathering up. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can find sharp class somewhere amongst it. 5th and 4th, we've got Miss Marshall and Miss Percy. Top 3, let's see who's in 3rd place. In 3rd place, Mrs. Cook. Well done, Mrs. Cook. In 2nd place, Miss Musselwhite, which means out in the lead, Miss Hall. Give it another press and we should see, look, yes! Well done, Sharks, you superstars. Earn yourself the Brenda, congratulations all, and Shark class. Super effort, guys. That is amazing. Look at the points. 156 points. We've never had a reception class win the attendance league ever as a school. It is amazing. And we've never had a class who's had so many points either in a term. Huge congratulations. You should be cheering really loudly now. I'll be bringing this round later so you can have this in your class. So really well done, guys. I am so proud of you. And keep it up when you're in year 1. Congratulations. Well done. I'll put this back over here now. Right, moving on now. Here we go. Child of the Year. Child of the Year goes to a child who has been amazing throughout the whole year. They have been absolutely brilliant and they get to take this home as well. We're going to start off this morning with the super smashing child that is in Shark class. So watch this little video now and enjoy. Here it comes.
Once upon a time, there was a class full of girls and boys who did a lot more than just playing with toys. They started school when the world was upside down, but never once did they mope or frown. In a time where the world had to be apart, they worked together and made a really great start. They learnt to read, write and spell. In Talk for Writing, they learnt stories to tell. Handa, Our Babies and Mrs. Wishy Washy too, there's no story that this class couldn't tell you. Patterns, sorting and numbers to 20. When learning money, they made sure they had plenty. It's been a great journey, we've had so much fun. It's sad to think our year is nearly done. So when it came to choosing a Child of the Year, it was difficult because it wasn't instantly clear. In September, school was a scary place, but this child came with a smile on their face. When school was stopped, they kept on going. They even did work when it was snowing. This child is kind, helpful and brave. They always listen, they always behave. We've come to the end. It's time to say, well done, Georgia. Hip hip hooray.
Georgia! Well done, hun. I am so proud of you, and that's really well deserved and well earned. You absolutely should. You have been amazing all year long. I know there'll be a few tears in your household now, so really well done, hun. I am so proud of you. Huge congratulations. Everyone give her a massive cheer and take this home with you at the end of today. You are an absolute superstar. Really well done. And I know your brother's going to be really proud of you as well. Brilliant. Right, moving on then. Here we go. To Turtle, look at this. For Turtle class, Miss Ruffles, Child of the Year. They try so hard at everything they do. Well, let's have a little look at this video and let's find out who that is. Watch this now.
She's good at playing with other people. Good at remembering stuff. Playing with the Play-Doh with me. Sharon. Funny.
What's she good at?
She's good at playing with people. Really friendly.
She's one of the funniest children that I've ever met, and she has grown so much this year. Well done.
She's really kind! Jumping over.
It's been really wonderful to get to know this child. She's always worked so hard and she's got such an amazing sense of humour. This child tries really hard and always makes me laugh.
Smiles all the time and is really enthusiastic.
She likes playing. She is a good friend with Jessica and me and Scarlett. Naya, come and play with Play-Doh. Look.
This child has worked so hard and improved so much throughout the year. This child comes in every single morning smiling. They try so hard at everything they do, and they just bring so much positivity to the class.
She's really funny. Well, she's always good at playing with me. She plays with me, and we always take turns of being the mom. It's a letter.
Emily! Yes! Well done, Emily, you absolute superstar. I'm so proud of you. You have had an amazing year. I know your mum and dad will be in floods of tears now because you are absolute superstar. Well deserved. Everyone's going to give you a massive cheer. I know Kieran's going to be so proud of you as well. He will be so proud of you. So really well deserved, hon. I am so proud of you. That is an amazing achievement, you superstar. And then keep it up in year 1 and enjoy taking this home. Right, finally, here we go. Look, well done, everyone. Enjoy the summer holidays. We need a good rest, and it's a well-deserved rest coming up as well over the summer. Keep reading, keep doing writing as much as you can, doing your numbers as well. So just do as much as you possibly can over the summer and just enjoy yourself and keep safe. As you can see, we're back to school on Monday, the 6th of September. So all you reception children will be starting in year 1 on Monday, the 6th of September. It'll be lovely to see all those smiling faces rushing through the gates at 8:30 on that Monday. Until then, everyone, stay safe and have a fantastic summer. Bye-bye now.